Hey everybody, Ray here. I've started noticing when I work out that I've got tenderness on the inside of my arms. This has been happening for a while, and also sometimes on the outside of my forearms, right in this area right here. I talked to a physical therapist, and what she recommended that I do is sort of isolate a little bit of an exercise for both of these muscles. She recommended a piece of equipment that you could find out there on Amazon, but it looked pretty simple to me, so I just took some stuff that I had laying around and I made this. It's a dowel, it's some rope, and then I put a weight at the bottom. And then how you use this is, if you want to work on the inside of your arms, then you curl this way from underneath. And when you're doing that, you're winding that rope up and lifting that weight. If you want to work on the outside of your arms, here, then you hold it this way. And you do the same thing. And if you're going to do this, I would recommend you do it both inside and outside to keep some balance in your strength building for your forearms. This is a real easy little project for you. Probably have everything you need laying around the house, so if you want to see how I made this, stick around and I'll show you. The materials and tools needed are a dowel. This happens to be 1-inch diameter dowel. You could make it 1 inch, 1.5 inches. I would not go over 2 inches. You're going to need some cordage. I used paracord. This is about 40 inches of paracord. You're going to need a carabiner, and you're going to, of course, at the end need a weight. I grabbed a 2.5 pound weight, but use whatever you'd like. A tape measure and a drill with a 1/4 of an inch bit. If you use paracord like I am, here's a tip for you. Don't forget to take a lighter and singe the edge of that. It'll start to melt a little bit. And then what happens when you've done that is it won't come unraveled. Drill a hole through the center of the dowel in the middle of the length. Run your rope through that 1/4 of an inch hole that you drilled through the dowel and just put a small knot at the end of it. Make a loop at the other end of the rope. Attach the loop to the carabiner. Using the carabiner, attach the rope to your weight. Now just remember, I'm no medical expert, so if you try this exercise and it causes a lot of pain, you probably should stop and go see your doctor. I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, give me that thumbs up. I appreciate it.